Welcome to the virtual training on tank gauging and sampling. Put on your headset as we move ahead into the training room. Exxar provides you a safe and secure access to training content, ensuring your confidential data is protected and your experience is seamless. Sign in using your credentials and start with the training. Once you are logged in, Exxar supports multiple languages to ensure zero communication gaps in your learning. Please choose your language and module to start the virtual training.
Hey there, I am your instructor for the day. Let's get familiarized with sampling and gauging activities in the tank. Let's navigate to the tank where we are going to start gauging. Now we will begin gauging to determine the top level of the petroleum product. Carefully lower the bob through the deep hatch to approximately 5 centimeters from the bottom or dead-end plate of the tank. Lower the deep tape further into the deep patch until the bob touches the top of the petroleum product. Record the measurements. Now proceed so that bob has reached the top of the petroleum product. Note down the lower tape value, which should be 510 centimeters. Start winding the deep tape back by pressing the right trigger. Measure the oil cut level value, which is 4.8 centimeters. Now start lowering the deep tape by rotating the handle until it reaches the bottom of the tank. The bob has reached the bottom of the tank. Carefully withdraw the tape, observing the upper limit of color change on the water-finding paste when the paste turns purple. Record the measurements. The water cut value is 5 centimeters based on the color change on the bob. We will use a UTI meter to check the temperature. Now place the UTI meter over the open latch. The sensor has reached the top of the petroleum product. Record the temperature by focusing on the digital display, which is 33.5 degrees Celsius. Now, let's proceed with the sampling process. To collect a sample, carefully lower the sampling cage through the deep hatch. The sample cage has reached the top of the petroleum product. The sample has been collected. Pull the sample into the bottle on your right, then close the cap and tag it. Repeat the same process 2 more times. Congratulations! You have been familiarized with the training for sampling and gauging.
Let's connect and explore how these possibilities can unlock measurable outcomes for your organization.